the other thing we do with liquids, I just thought I got a delivery. You know, like you're saying, how nice it is when things arrive.
Yeah.
And these arrived from Japan. I just find there is this parallel interest in other liquids. When people like perfume, we overlap. There's a Venn diagram that has quite a lot of overlapping, but so it's a Japanese pen company which makes some very lovely things, and I think it's pronounced Wancher, Wincher. I mean the precautions we'll have to read, but I read about this pen. So the PuChiCo.
Oh!
Right. So it is a fountain pen.
Sarah, you know the other day I said I was about to get you a pen that was the size of a hand, that could fit in your that was like just the size of a cartridge.
It is this! Well, I'm glad you didn't buy it because I read it. I went and ordered it from Japan. So
it's that exact pen.
So, yes, and so what you do is you fill that.
Right, yeah.
They give you a pipette. But did you see what else they sell?
I don't know. You're gonna have to show me.
Well,
I can't believe that.
Where did you find? Was that the one in Cardiff? In the shop in Cardiff?
No, it was a stationery shop in Berlin. Like, exactly that pen. Same colour, same everything.
Well, it's a good thing you didn't.
Yeah, I was going to get it.
I would have had to. Okay, so this is the other extreme.
Wow.
The wide version, which also is filled. So I brought the transparent one because then you can see exactly how much ink there is in it.
Wow.
Yes. So I haven't done anything with them yet because they arrived on... I didn't know when they arrived, but they were here waiting for me on Wednesday because I've been doing writing, and then they have instructions to say what you're to do with them. You can, in fact, put a cartridge in, but I don't have one. I thought it'd be more fun to fill it right up.
Yeah.
You're going to love this. I think you're going to love this.
Yeah.
Precautions for use and storage. First of all, big caution, red. Never put it in your mouth.
Good.
It's so tempting to... No. Keep out of reach of children, yeah. When carrying the fountain pen around with you, be sure to remove the ink. So it stays here now forever.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it might leak.
It'll leak.
Yeah. Precautions for use and storage. When you put ink in the fountain pen, be careful not to get the ink on your body, clothes, desk, etc. Of course we all do. Of course they do. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do not swing the fountain pen around. Do not leave the cap, pen tip, facing down on a desk for a long time with ink in it. I know, like that.
I mean, it's pretty good way to store it.
Yeah, but maybe that's why the warning is that we mustn't. Maybe it drips out.
Is that a general rule with fountain pens?
I've not seen it written down before, but generally speaking, they tend to sort of stay that way up because clip. Normally they don't balance. I don't have any others that would balance. Close the cap tightly when not in use. Please do not carry ink on the plane. Do not shake the pen when you put it in your pocket or bag. Do not jump up and down. Do not leave in places exposed to high temperatures or direct sunlight for long periods. When storing, remove the ink and wash the fountain pen with water. Okay, which is fair. But these are really, they're real bargains. They make some very expensive ones as well. But I thought maybe...
I think we have to try the big one.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. So I've got this one here from Diamine. I just bought a little bottle, which is called Energy. And it is a sheen ink. So depending on whether which surface we write with, it should shine.
Surely you can just pour that in.
Well, I suppose that's a surefire way to get it all over the desk, yourself, your body, your clothes,
yeah, but
etc.
Also show me the... Maybe not actually. It's quite thin.
No, well. I'm quite good at pouring. Famous last words.
Yeah,
Do you want to, like, nice new shirt?
Excellent.
There we go. Okay. Whoop. Goes quite quickly. Okay, so far, so just dab that bit there, the drip. And la 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 la. That'll do. I suppose I could put a bit more in, but that will do nicely. And I suppose I should have had some paper ready. I've got some nice Japanese paper. Let's write on it. Okay, it doesn't want to write yet. I don't want to shake it because it says don't shake it, but it's going to come through. Come on, are you going to write? That'd be a bit disappointing if it doesn't write, won't it? I think it takes time. It looks like it's purple down there. Come on, in you go.
You might need to shake it. Or put it in your mouth. I think put it in your mouth.
All those things, yeah, what else am I not supposed to do? Okay, close the capsule. Do not leave it on, no, do not swing the fountain pen around. No, I don't, I have a bit of a stir. Oh, doing all the things it says not to do. I'm just such a rule breaker. Okay, so it probably would have worked nicer if I could get it to write.
Mm-hmm.
I've got ink in other places, but not on the... It's invisible. I could try the small one, see if that... Oh, always put the lid back on. That was asking for trouble.
See, I
could leave it. I tell you what.
Put the nib in my mouth and do a gentle...
I'm going to do this thing that tells you not to do. So
Yeah.
leave it that way up and see, and then see if we can make this one right.
No, we do need the pipette, surely. Or maybe
Yeah,
not.
I'm going to use the pipette.
Yeah.
So this one is fruit cocktail and it's scented.
Mm.
Also from Diamine, from out of one of their, you get 25 in the ink vent calendar.
Wow.
And
Looks
each year I
very
say,
nice.
no, I don't need another ink vent calendar. I probably should have filled it with green.
No, red's nice.
Yeah. Okay. It's very exciting. Very exciting. Not very exciting. And that there, and if your hands are not too big. Oh, that one's writing. Yeah. I wasn't expecting to, so I wasn't writing neatly. Probably smells of fruit cocktail. I'm going to put the cap. Always put the lid back on. Things apply. Write everything down. Always put the lid back on. This is yeah. There you go. Hobonichi. Right. I can never think of anything else to write.
What do you write? Hello, my name is Sarah.
Just Sarah. I don't even go with the introduction.
I find that a lot of people tend to write nice pen.
Ah,
Do you ever see that in stationery shops where people are testing the pen? Nice pen.
yeah.
Or hello, this pen is nice.
I do wonder if I shouldn't just sign my signature on pads randomly round stationery shops.
I think signatures are kind of a thing of the past really now, aren't they?
Because no one writes checks.
Well, yeah.
Or
And
you.
also, like signatures are all digital, like contracts are all digital now.
Sometimes people do need to see your actual, like on your passport, and passport's still a real signature. You have to sign it.
Yeah.
Yeah, my hand is not. I suppose it'd be tiny enough if I hold it there. It keeps falling down.
No, it's
handle.
got to be
There.
just a cupping. You've got to, I would say, a cupping it within your hand. It's a secret pen, but not with, maybe not with the lid on the back.
Oh, what, actually, like like that.
Yeah.
It's not impossible. In fact, weirdly, I'm writing more neatly when I've discussed it like that.
Oh, hang on, show us. Show us your hand. Show us how you have it.
Oh, how I have it. Just like that.
There we go.
Secret. Except for the sticky out gold bit. Yes, I can.
Great. So
yeah, okay, so that one worked straight away. So what's up with this one? What have I done? I'm perhaps done something incorrectly. What have I done? There must be something, a blockage. Unless it is only supposed to work with it. No, it definitely says on the instructions, put that in there. Don't fill like that. And then it clearly shows it writing. Well, maybe it will, and maybe it won't, but that's...
I think you have to sometimes be a little bit flicky with it.
That's what we always used to do at school to see if we could get pens to work. And it's
worked.
Yeah. It works. Right. Get flicky with it is obviously the trick. Ooh. So I just wrote, this pen works. The pen works. Let's see if we can see any of the sheen. Is this a sheen? Did I say sheen? Yeah. It should shine in different colours from different angles. So it's quite smooth. A little bit noisy, but not very. It leaves quite a lot of ink on the paper, but that's going to be a combination of the paper and the pen. Relief! Exclamation mark. Yeah. Oh, I'm pleased.
Fab.
I'm pleased. And I'm also glad then that you didn't spend money on it since I'd bought one.
I can't believe that. The exact pen.
I can
Wancher.
believe that. It's witchiness, which just, you know, these things happen.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can make it, the sheen appear. It's fine. Does it smell? That's the question though. I'm pleased. I won't stand it like that anymore. Does it smell of fruit cocktail? Ooh. I'd say yes. It's possible that everything in this place smells of fruit cocktail, but do you want to smell the orange bit?
Maybe.
Yeah, I want to make scented ink. So, yes, as entirely bought and paid for by me, because, and nearly bought and paid for twice, once each, and ordered from Japan, and they arrived very quickly, and I'm pleased I did it. I'm not sure I would write with them every day, particularly since I can't carry them around with me, because, you know, I like to have them with me all the time. I even, when I went to Greece, emptied them out, took the ink, put the ink back in when I got there, and then emptied them out from the way home.
Great.
Okay, yeah.
Wonderful.
We move into other scented liquids.